Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Srijan, a first year CS Undergrad, and in this video, let's talk about my 7 favorite and most used Windows apps. So, these are the set of Windows apps which I always install after having a fresh install of Windows. And mind you, all of these apps are free, and hence I will be adding links in the description. Also, I have added the timestamps in the description, so feel free to skip through the video. So the first app in the list is Notion. So if you don't know what Notion is, it is a multi-purpose app which allows us to create pages which has pre-built components like bullet board, list, Kanban boards, tables, calendars, and etc. So I use Notion for many things like habit tracker, weekly agenda, my journal, and many more things. Before Notion, everything was messy as I have to maintain different apps for different kind of things, but after Notion, everything is sorted. So as you can see in the screen, I am showing all the components that are available in Notion by creating a demo page like the emojis and also the text. Also, there is a very good way to transform what you have created afterwards. Like here you can see I have written subscribe please, mind you. I can turn it into a big heading also by just simply 2 clicks. First I need to click this buttons and then have to turn into and make it heading. Since Notion has a very big community, the templates are innumerable. You have templates for everything like roadmaps, design tasks, mind maps, and the list just goes on. You can find any template here. Either it is community built or it is pre-built by the Notion team. So after Notion, many of the things are organized and I feel it boosted my productivity a lot. So the next app in the list is VS Code. So there are 2 places where we can write our code. One is IDE, the integrated development environment like PyCharm, Spider, etc. And the other is a text editor like Sublime Text or even VS Code. So the only reason why I like VS Code so much is for the marketplace. The ease of installing plugins for different languages is just awesome in VS Code. I haven't used Sublime, but I think it is a little bit different there. It is not as easy like here. You can find any kind of plugins for any kind of languages. Also, some plugins to improve your productivity and code writing. On number 3, we have Chrome. So I don't have to tell any of you what Chrome is and what is the benefit of Chrome. I'm sure you may be watching this video on Chrome. But one fun fact about Chrome is, according to a survey, 43% of the people uses Chrome. To put that in contrast, only 20% uses Firefox. One of the really important feature that I need to mention in this video about Chrome is the ability to sync up my data across devices, which is a lifesaver. I also use Chrome for different kind of apps it provides, like the podcast. I listen to podcasts from my Google itself if I don't have my phone nearby. So the next app we have Discord. Discord is a VoIP instant messaging platform which allows us to form communities. I don't use any kind of social media these days. The only kind of social media or social platform that allow myself to use is Discord, as I'm a part of a like-minded coding community which helps me to solve my doubts and also teaches me many more things. Discord is really a good app, and I feel it after joining few communities. You can also create your own community or server like I'm showing in the screen. On number 5, we have VLC Media Player. VLC is not only free but also open source, which in simple terms means another layer of reliability. So VLC Media Player is always a media player of my choice, as it gives a lot of features which I can't find in any other free app, like speeding up the video, which is always needed while I am watching some lectures and all. Also, it can help me to boost up the volume up to a certain level. So if you are wondering which is this video, it is my second last video. Go and watch it, you may like it. On number 6, we have Foxit Reader. It's a PDF reader. It is quite similar to Adobe's Acrobat Reader, but it is free, and being biased, it is my favorite PDF reader. So I really need to deal with PDFs on a day-to-day basis. That's why I use Foxit Reader a lot for my school assignments and my personal reading also. It gives us many features like highlighting the text, and even we can write in the PDF itself. So this app is free, unlike Adobe's Acrobat Reader. I haven't used it, but I think it won't be as good as this one. It's just a biased opinion. Do not quote me on this, please. Lastly, we have Ueli. So if you ever used Mac OS, you should know that it has Spotlight, and it is far better than the Windows search. So Ueli tries to mimic Spotlight on Windows. I use Spotlight on a daily basis, but still I am impressed by this app. It is not even close to Spotlight, but it is better than Windows search. It can do conversion, also open up websites from the Ueli search itself. So it's a good app all in all. With this, let's end the video. So if you like the video for whatsoever reason, I really hope my other videos will please you in the same manner, and if they do so, I hope to see you here next time. Till then, stay happy, stay pleased, bye bye.